Okay, let's have a look here. A circle has a centre there and passes through that point. Find the equation of the circle. Well, we'll have to get the radius first, which will be the square root of 2 squared plus 3 squared, which is root 13. So the circle would be x plus 1 squared plus y minus 5 squared equals root 13 squared. Yep, that's it. Okay, the point 5,2 is on that circle. Find P. So that means 25, if we sub in 5,2, should work. 25 plus 4 plus 5p minus 4 plus 5 equals 0. That's a 1, that's a 30. That's p as minus 6, I think. Because 25... actually, the 4's cancel, so that's 30. So bring it to the other side. It's minus 30 divided by 5. So that's minus 6. That line intersects K. Find the coordinates of the point of intersection. So you can rearrange that to say y equals x minus 1 and sub that in. So you get x squared plus y squared plus px minus 2y plus 5 equals 0. So you have 2x squared minus 10x plus 8 equals 0. X squared minus 5x plus 4 equals 0. X minus 4, x minus 1. So the points would be 1 and 4. And then using this formula here, we can get the y. So 0 and 3. Okay, looks okay to me. The y-axis is tangent to that circle. Prove that f squared equals c. So if we get the derivative here, we have 2x plus 2y dy dx plus 2g plus 2f dy dx equals 0. Rearranging, cancelling out all those 2's and rearranging, we get dy dx equals minus x to the other side, and then g to the other side. Maybe I won't commit to the minus just yet. Minus x minus g over y plus f. So the y-axis is a tangent. So that means if the y-axis is a tangent, let me just draw that. It means when x is 0, the slope should be undefined. So that means when x equals 0, dy dx should be undefined. So that means y should equal minus f when x equals 0. Okay, let's sub that back into the formula. So 0 squared plus y squared, and then, I forgot what the p was. Wasn't it like minus 6? I think so. Minus 6x. Oh, it doesn't matter. It's 0. Minus 2f. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong one. So that means here, that means 0 squared plus f squared plus 2g0 plus 2f times minus f plus c equals 0. So that's f squared minus 2f squared plus c equals 0. So C would equal F squared. Yep, that works. Find the equations of the circles that pass through those points and have the y-axis as a tangent. So because we know the y-axis is a tangent, we know the equation x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus f squared should equal 0. So if we sub those 2 points in, 9 plus 36 minus 6g plus 12f plus f squared equals 0. So what's that now? 45. So minus 6g plus 12f plus f squared equals minus 45. And then we sub the other point in. We get 36 plus 9 minus 12g plus 6f plus f squared equals 0. So minus 12g plus 6f plus f squared equals also minus 45. So I'm thinking if I multiply this by 2 and bring it down here, I get minus 12g plus 24f plus 2f squared equals minus 90. And then if I subtract, they cancel. If I actually subtract the bottom minus the top, cancel. 18f plus f squared equals minus 45, I think. So then I get the equation f squared plus 18f plus 45 equals 0. What have I got now? 9 and 5, no, 15 and 3 sounds good. F plus 15, F plus 3 equals 0. Yeah, okay, so we have 2 equations here. I've got the first one, because I got F is minus 15 or F is minus 3. And I can get the G, I think, oh, yeah. What would be the best equation to give me the G now? Probably something like this one here, maybe. So that means F equals minus 15 or minus 3. Okay. Then let's get the G now. I can get G is minus 45 minus 12f minus f squared over minus 6, or in other words 45 plus 12f plus f squared over 6. I wonder if I can do this in my head. Okay, let's start with the first one. So minus 15, so that would be 45 minus 12 times 15, which is I think a minus 180, plus 225 over 6, or 3 minus 45 plus 36 minus 9 over 6. So let me see, 225 plus 45, 270 minus 180, 90 over 6, which is 45 over 3, which is 15. Oh, that's interesting. And then this one here, let me see, minus 45, minus 45 minus 9. So that's going to be minus 54 plus 36 though. So what's that going to be? (18/6)3. Oh, that's very interesting. It's the same values with opposite signs. Very interesting. So the equations would be x squared plus y squared plus 2g, so that would be 30x, plus 2f minus 30y plus c, which is f squared, which is the last number squared, 900, equals 0. Or x squared plus y squared plus 2g, which is 9x, plus 2f, which would be minus 9y, plus c, which is f squared, which is the number I just had, 3 squared, 9. Wait, is that 900? That doesn't seem right. F squared, 15 squared. Yeah, why did I say 900? What was I thinking? 225, isn't it? C is f squared, and the first f was 15. Yeah, why did I say? I have no idea. Why did I say 900? That was weird. So there you go. That's the two answers there. Okay. Actually, I just also realized I did something very silly at the end here. No, I think they're right. But why did I say why did I say 9s here? 2 times 3 is 6. 6 and 6. X squared plus y squared plus 30x minus 30y plus 225, x squared plus y squared plus 6x minus 6x plus 9. I don't know what happened to my arithmetic at the end there. Okay.